Hello, Paul here from MDS Milk Delivery System. In this video, I'm going to show you the latest delivery app. This is the app that your roundsman will use to see what needs to be delivered, check bills, etc., etc. So what we're going to do is we're just going to log in now. This app works in online or offline mode. So I'll just log in with the round that we're going to log into for today on our demo. I'll just click the login button, and that in a moment will come this screen. Now this screen may take perhaps 20 seconds to 2 or 3 minutes to load, depending on the amount of data that you have in the round. We don't have a lot, as you can see, in this actual demonstration app. Okay, so this is what you first see. You can see we've synced now. It says last sync just now, which is fine. And I'll just tell you the things across the top. All deliveries, that's where you're going to start your deliveries for the day. Mark all as delivered, that's what you do at the end of the day. Multi-day delivery, that's if it's Christmas or Easter and you want to combine 2 deliveries into one day. Customers, that's so you can see the customers on the whole of your round, not just today's deliveries, but the whole of your round. Settings, where you can adjust a few things, which I'll show you in a minute. And of course, logging out, so you can log out and log back in. So let's just look at the settings, for example, because this can be used in online and offline mode where you don't need 4G data. Basically, all you need to do is when you get to the yard or the dairy, if you've got a tablet, for example, doesn't have any SIM card in it, you just need to log on to the Wi-Fi there, download and sync, go and do your round, do your changes, etc., and then mark all as delivered, resync back up, and that's it. You don't need anything else. If you want to use the 4G data, this is what happens. If I click settings here, you'll see it says let the app automatically sync data and at what period of time you want it to sync. There are advantages to this because obviously if your data isn't synced and you've lost your handheld or something happens and your handheld breaks or anything like that, you could possibly obviously not have done your changes for the day. So in this mode, you can actually just click how often you want it to sync, and that'll automatically sync as you're going around. So if you had made changes, that keeps updating the server as you go. So I'm sure you understand that. And you can set what times you like. So you could do it every 15 minutes or whenever you wish. Every 15 minutes, obviously, you're going to use more data because you're going up to the server on a regular basis. So you just set 1 hour, 2 hours, just as a safety net as you're going around to do your rounds. We've got ours set as 1 hour here, which you can see. Okay, or you can input it manually. We're just going to click confirm. If you don't want to use any 4G data at all with the app because you're using it on a phone, but you still need your 4G turned on because you're doing other things, then just simply turn this button off at the top there. Okay, and that will stop it from syncing. So that's how the online and offline part works of this app. So what we'll do now, we'll start the round. So let's say we've just logged in, we're off to do our round, and we're just going to click the all deliveries button. I've only got 4 deliveries for today because it's just a demo. But first thing we do is we click the first. This will be in round order. This is the order that you sent us for your round, which we put in, or what you've done yourself and moved them around in round order. So let's just click the top customer. There we go. So this is what needs doing for the day. You can see clearly the name of the customer and the address. You can see the date, the £22.91 at the top. That's the current balance until the end of this week. Now, today's Tuesday. £22.91 will be the end of week balance on Sunday. So that's what that is for. You can click the Pay Now button. So if you go, then there is £22.91 or any figure or any money that's left. You can pop that in and you can just click card, check, cash, whatever you want, and that goes straight into the system. Underneath that, you can see it says your delivery instructions from the customer. Then underneath what needs to be delivered. So you've got your 1 pint of semi-sim glass there, of which there's 2 of them. Underneath that, you can see the order value. And then if you want to add extra products to this customer or add a holiday date or change something, there are some features underneath which you can do. So we'll just move on to the next customer by simply flicking to the left. So let's say we've delivered to this customer. There wasn't any changes. We're just going to flick to the left. And then we're going to flick to the left again for the next customer. And we get to this customer and perhaps they say, oh, we don't want any delivery today, no milk. That's no problem. All you have to do is cancel the delivery. So for example, you cannot do this. You can't put naught because you have to cancel the delivery. So all you need to do to cancel the delivery for one item is just click deliver, cancel, click the cancel button, yes. And if we go back now, you'll see the big red cross there saying that it was cancelled. Okay, so if there's no delivery for the day, you have to cancel it. Okay, if you have a customer that has two items, and I'll just add an item to this one just to show you. So we'll add a product here, and let's say we've gone to this customer and she's asked us, do we have any eggs? So we're just going to click eggs. So we know we've got two products now that we're going to deliver to this customer. If this was a standard day whereby this customer regularly gets these two products, you can put 0 because there's still a delivery because you're still delivering the milk. Okay, you can't put 0 if for one item, it has to be cancelled. Okay, that's how you can add another product. As you can just see, we easily added that, and I can even add some more if I wish. So I can add some orange juice as well. So let's say I've gone there and she's asked for eggs and orange juice, and there we are. Now, because I've added those, I can just click the deliver button, click deliver, and move on to the next customer. So the way to use the app is simply to, if there's no changes whatsoever, just skip left and just keep skipping left. If you have a change and you come across a customer needs a change, you just make the change. Let's say he wants one extra, click deliver, and it moves on to the next customer. So it is very much that easy to do these things. So to add a product, you just simply click the plus button for one more. You can add extra products in the bottom. You can also go underneath that holiday date. So you can add a holiday date. So let's say this customer's going on holidays, left a note out. We can do it here and now, or we can do it when we get back to the yard. It's up to you. Let's say he's going on holiday on the 10th and the 11th. Now, that's the 2 holiday days. That means that he's back having milk on Friday the 12th if he's down for a delivery. Okay, so 10th, 11th, back on the 12th. Click confirm, and our holiday date is set. We can also change the current standing order for the customer as well, simply by clicking this button here. We'll click that one, and that's his current standing order. What we're going to do, we're going to replace it, and we're going to say, okay, he has decided now that on Friday with his orange juice, he only wants one, for example. Okay, and also I'm going to add a product. He also says, can we have some cheddar cheese? So we're going to click add. Okay, so there's the cheddar, and he wants that on a let's say he wants that on a Friday as well. Yeah, so we're going to just go one there on a Friday. You could put some details, some notes in there for me to make any notes. Click update, and there we are. That's now been done. So just going to come back out of that. So that's all the things that you can do on the app there and then. We'll just go back to the main screen again to show you some other things. Multi-day delivery. This is where you can add 2 days together and deliver both products on one day. Great for Christmas and stuff like that. It will come away. Customers. Here you can see all your customers, not just your ones that you're delivering to today. This is every customer that you have in that round. So it might be some people in there, as you can see, that you might want to make an adjustment to for some reason or another. So you can see there's the balance, there's the current week balance, and there's next week balance. And you can print the bill to a Bluetooth printer right down the bottom here, as you can see, which is print bill. Just go back. That's basically how it works. You can also see the balance very quickly. Sorry, you can see the balance here in, for example, by clicking payment details. That shows the balance as well there in payment details, so you can see at a glance exactly how much that customer owes. Okay, so that's how that works. Very simple, really, to end your day. So go around, just deliver, and just keep swiping left. If you get a change, you can either jot them down on a piece of paper and do it when you get back to the yard, or you can do it there and then, which is so fast, as you saw. So quickly do the change, just keep swiping left. If you get another change, quickly do the change. Payments you can put in any time you like, so you don't need to put them in there and then unless you want to. Once you come back to the yard, all you have to do after that, once you've done your changes and you're happy with everything, just click the delivered all button, which is that one there. Click the button, that marks everything delivered, and you can walk away for the day. So we're just going to click that, just going to confirm it, has delivered all, which depending on the size of your round, of course, will take a little bit longer. Just going to click the sync now button again, just to double check our resync. And once we've done that, everything's done and you are ready to walk away. What we're trying to say to people is, ideally, you can see at the top now it says 3 delivered and 1 cancelled. Ideally, what we say need to get in the habit of doing is just clicking the log out button. Okay, so you're making sure you're logging in fresh on every time. That's our version 2.05 latest app for milk delivery system. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, give us a call or email us. We're glad to help you. Installs on any Android app, any Android tablet, with or without data. Thanks for watching and speak to you very soon. Bye bye.